Hey guys, a very warm welcome to Arihant Online Academy. And you can see here the question that is from GATE IT 2007, question number 21 from Discrete Mathematics Predicate Calculus. The question is, which one of these first order logic formula is valid? Here you can say that four options are here. That for all x such that px derives qx. That means for all px we can write it like that. For all we can for all x px derives for all x qx, right? So you can see here that for every x, if p holds then q holds, and in for every x here, if p holds then q holds, and in RHS side, if you will say right hand side, if px hold for all, if px hold for all x, then qx hold for all x, right? Then qx hold for all x. And similarly, if we will see that for option B, then you can simply say that an x exists for which either px is true, an x exists for which there exists x for which px is true, or this is or qx is true. In RHS is there exists x such that px is true when another x exists for which qx, right? So LHS doesn't equals to RHS here. And if you see option C, that is if an x it is not necessary that on RHS both x are same, right? It is not necessary that on the RHS side both x are same. And if you see for the left hand side, there exists an x for which both px and qx are true. There exists x for which both px and qx are true. Then there exists an x for which px is true, and there exists an x for which qx is true, but it is not necessary that on the RHS both x are same. And if you scan option D, for every x there exists a y. For every x, this is called as for all. This is for all. So for every x, for all x, there exists a y such that px holds true. Px holds. That means in the right hand side, if you will see, there exists y such that for all x, px holds true, but it is not true, right? So we only have option A that is matching with this one. So option A is correct. That means for all x, for px, when then q holds. For all x, for every x, for all x, if px holds then qx holds, we can write it like that, right? So option A is there, and for all other options, these are the explanation here, right? And we took this explanation from Geeks for Gays guide. So that guys, for more GATE CS questions on each and every subjects, please do subscribe, and please like our video, and if any kind of doubt or query, you can ask us. Thank you so much guys. Have a very nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.